Jimmy. I have read that this is the season for little squirrels to be and eat. And Miss Jimmy here is talking like I've never heard her talk. I know. Come here. Come here. Okay.